Hello, my friend. Welcome to the first episode of our professional HTML series. I am Kingdom. In this video, we will learn about HTML documents, importance of HTML in web development, the role of a professional, the benefits of coding HTML professionally. By the end of this video, I will be telling you a secret that can make you even a better professional. Till then, please subscribe. Let's dive in. What is HTML? HTML, meaning Hypertext Markup Language, is the foundational language of the internet. It is used to structure and present web contents. It employs tags to define elements like headings, paragraphs, links, and images. HTML document takes a hierarchical structure when elements are nested within others, establishing relationship between page contents. HTML prioritizes semantic meaning. It encourages the use of tags based on content meaning rather than mere styling. Importance of HTML in web development. HTML is the cornerstone of web development. It plays a critical role in shaping the web. Its importance lies in the following key points. 1. Structure and content. HTML defines how web pages are structured and how each page content is presented, including text, images, links, and multimedia elements. 2. Accessibility. HTML forms the basis for web accessibility. A properly structured HTML along with accessible attributes ensures that the web page content can be used by individuals with disabilities. 3. Search engine optimization, for short SEO. A well-structured HTML is vital for search engine to index and rank web pages effectively. Professional HTML coding can boost a website's SEO by making its content more discoverable and accessible to users. The role of a professional HTML developer. A professional HTML developer is a crucial contributor to web development projects with responsibilities that include 1. Code implementations. This involves converting design mockups into functional web pages through the creation of clean and meaningful HTML codes. 2. Cross-browser compatibility. This involves ensuring that the web pages functions consistently across various browsers and devices, enhancing the user experience. 3. Accessibility. This involves integrating accessibility best practices to make web content accessible to a diverse audience, including individuals with disabilities. For SEO consideration, this involves implementing HTML best practices that enhances search engine rankings and visibilities, contributing to improved website performance. Goals and benefits of coding HTML professionally. 1. Enhanced user experience. Professional HTML coding leads to fast-loading web pages with correct displays and user-friendly interfaces. 2. Accessibility and inclusivity. Following accessibility guidelines ensures that websites are usable by all, regardless of abilities. 3. Search engine visibility. Well-structured HTML improves a website's search engine rankings, attracting more organic traffic. 4. Efficient collaboration. Professional HTML coders work seamlessly with designers and developers, streamlining project workflow. 5. Career growth. Mastery of HTML coding and adherence to industry standards can open up career advancement opportunities and increase job prospects. Thank you for staying with me till this point. In the next video, we will be setting up our development environment. Yes, to become even a better professional, you will do these 3 things. 1. Take your lessons seriously. Practice the same makes for improvement. 2. Give it time and be consistent. 3. Take professional courses. Yes, take professional courses from Coursera or Udemy. I have left links to these below. See you in the next video.